Well, the muffins just have a little bit longer to go, so I thought we'd just do some dishes and stuff around here, and you can just kind of stand here and watch me work, I guess. Try to get you over here where you can see a little bit better. If I can, I'm going to try to speed through this part of the video, but if I can't, then you're just going to have to bear with me while I do these dishes and stuff. Better while I got all the ingredients put away, so that's good. I like to cook. Oh, Oscar doesn't like, so I don't get to cook everything he likes really very often, but that's alright. He's like a beans and potatoes guy for meat. So that's kind of what I do. But I think the next time when I grind up my pineapple and stuff, I'll just do it in that little mini chopper. But I think it's done just as good as what the big one did. I just didn't have quite enough stuff in it, I think, to make it really do an excellent job. So, next time, I don't know. Trial and error, you know. The muffins are doing good. I love these mixing bowls. They're old, they're antique Pyrex. I just love these things. They're so nice. And they have little pour spouts on them. That's nice too. About to drop you. Worst thing I hate to clean out of the measuring cup is peanut butter. Oh, I hate cleaning out peanut butter out of the measuring cup. Thank my friends for my dishwashing cloth. My dish rag, I love it. I've used it and used it. love it, love it, love it. She made it herself. She crocheted it and everything on herself. Isn't that neat? Turn that one light off because it was burning me up. It's those spotlights, and boy, they get hot. Try to fast forward this, but I don't know if it'll do it. I can't stand for stuff to be out of place. I have to have it all picked back where it's supposed to be. It drives me nuts. Let's take a look at the muffins. Yeah, they're looking good. See that? Yeah, those are looking really nice. Really, really nice. There we go. Sorry about that. Where are you? There you are. They'll be ready to come out here in just a minute. And I'm going to go on and put a few things up. What kind of videos do y'all want to see this year? What stuff interests you this year, you think, that you'd want to see? We're going to do some more Bible studies and stuff like that, of course. But I was just wondering what else you might want to see. I'll probably do some more What's in My Bags. I think people like to watch those. Maybe some Bible tote reviews or something. And I'm hoping this spring we'll have baby goats because they're all together again. So Dandy should be old enough now, so we'll see. Just a little bit more. They're still poofy. I had to have me some hot chocolate. I don't drink coffee, but Oscar made me some hot chocolate earlier, and I've been drinking that. This is Oscar's cup. Give me coffee and tell me I'm pretty. My daughter got that for him. She got me a nice one too, though. I'm starting to get hot in here, folks. I'm sorry. Whew. But you like my apron? It says I'm still a hot babe. It just comes in flashes. Yeah, it's the truth. As a matter of fact, a handy dandy fan we will turn on. That helps immensely. Let's see, what other videos do you think we would want to do this time? For this year, just let me know. If we have baby goats, I'll for sure be putting them on here. I might put my mom in some of them. I tried to on, I don't remember, it was on my birthday, I think. Anyway, I tried to do one with her in it when she called, but it didn't work, and that would have been such a cute video. I got so upset because I thought that would have been so cute. She called me on the phone, and I had her on here with me, and I thought that was nice. But we'll get her on here again, and probably my dad too. Oops, there's the timer. We're just going to let them go a few more minutes, then they'll be done. But Oscar likes them real good. I was trying to think of anything else that... I got a big thing of party peanuts today at Tractor Supply. I think they were $10, but they're a big can of salted party peanuts. I thought that'd be something Oscar could snack on too, so I got him those. He said, "Hey, do you think you could get a bigger container?" And if you have a cat, catnip. Oh my goodness. Ringo goes crazy over the catnip. I always say he's on the nip. The catnip. You can put that in his toy and he goes wacko. He rubs it all over his face. He goes crazy. I think he gets high off of it, really. I think it's like cat marijuana or something. He rubs it all over his face and he'll play with it, and then all of a sudden he's like, he's out. He's asleep. He wakes up and his eyes are like little slits. He looks wild. So we got him some more catnip today. We did put it in a little pantyhose, but he started tearing the pantyhose, a little knee-high hose, and put it in that. So I got him a toy that had it, that you can put it in, and he loves that stuff. We're going to plant some this year, and we'll see how it goes. But cats are supposed to love catnip. Let me check it again. Yep, they're about done. Let me get my pot holders. I got my plants brought back in here. Have y'all seen my plants lately? They're doing really good. Let me show you my plants real quick. There's that one. I just watered them. So I'm turning this light on. Might help see it a little better. There's my jade plant. I love a jade plant. Aren't they pretty? I love house plants. And my cactus that bloomed at Thanksgiving is blooming again at Christmas. But I put my Schefflera over here, which you can't see it very good, but there he is. I put him in front of the window. Whoops. But yeah. Let's see here. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, we should be done. Look here and see. Yeah, we're done. That oven is a convection microwave oven, and I love it so good. I didn't use it as a convection oven until just as a convection oven until, I don't know, a few months ago or so. And it heats up so much faster than my regular oven. But, oh yeah, these look good. Let me get a bowl. Put them on a little plate. I'll pull one apart. Ouch! Pull one apart for you. I know I'm hazardous to myself. Can you see them? Can you see the plate? Here we go. Okay. Take him out there. I think he's done. See. Oh yeah, he's done. They are so good. They fall right out of these tin muffin holders. I love the tin ones, the aluminum foil ones. Oh yeah. Look at that. It has the pineapple in it, and the maraschino cherries. McGinnis is going to love me. I'll put him a few out. Sometimes I make a double batch, but today I just, for the sake of the video, I just do one batch. And it lose me. There we are. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to try to doctor it up if I need to speed through some things. But I hope you all have a great evening, and remember to live, love, laugh, and laugh some more, because laughter's the best medicine. And we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.